What's up, guys? Back with another video. Today just wanted to do a quick update. It's been a while that I've made a video, so I want to do a quick update on the crypto markets, what my strategies are right now. So let's just get right into it. So really my main strategy is just DCAing into alts that I like. I feel like a lot of my positions are already built out, such as Solana, even ICP. I am DCAing into a little bit, but I already have a pretty significant position. And I'm using a lot of my my $1 billion CAT gains to fund some of the DCAing. I'm not using that much fresh capital. I feel like maybe we're about mid-cycle. In my opinion, I think it's unlikely that Bitcoin breaks super high above 100K. I could be wrong, kind of hope I'm wrong. But so I'm somewhat risk averse with putting in a ton of fresh capital. But so what am I DCing into? Generally, it's my favorite meme coins and a little bit of AI coins and ICP. So generally, it's a lot of meme coins. Right now, I kind of want to start DCAing into some more Solana meme coins because I am underexposed in that area, I'd say, even though I have a huge Solana position, pretty large Nasana position, which is a Solana ecosystem coin, kind of like Render. But so some of the meme coins I like on Solana, I'm just getting into Giga. That really feels like it could be just a massive movement, not just a meme coin. It does feel like some of these meme coins, quote unquote, are turning into like larger movements, kind of like Pups World Peace, for the people that are in my Runes ecosystem. That's another example of something that I think is kind of transcending the idea of a meme coin and moving to like a movement, kind of like almost like a lifestyle brand. Then I also like some other Solana meme coins. I'm starting to get into WIF and Bonk. I just like both of them. I feel like, the downside is somewhat limited. They were already extremely established. So as long as this bull market continues, I think they're almost guaranteed to do extremely well, 5 to 10x. So I'm DCing into those. A new coin that's been on my radar is Bells coin, which is basically the narrative it's running with is that it was created by the same creator as Doge, but it's older than Doge. So it's, quote unquote, the first meme coin ever. Now, that combined with a new development team that is making the blockchain faster, I believe they're trying to design it for ordinals, kind of like how ordinals are on Bitcoin and on Dogecoin, but it's supposed to be more user-friendly. And so, I haven't delved too much into their ordinal ecosystem, but I just like the culty community. I don't even know what his role is, but I listened to a bunch of interviews of some of the leaders in the community, and it just feels like a early cult. And I like the proof of work. I know that the hash rate is already massive for Bells coin. So from that perspective, it's also extremely undervalued. So yeah, that's one I've been DCing into over the last couple months. And now I have a pretty nice position in that. Lately I've been adding into some runes that I really, really like. Panda already went on a big run, base internet Panda. So I've actually been selling a tiny bit of that. But I've been buying some Bozo, which just has so many holders, over 7,000 holders, and it's at just a ridiculously low market cap. I think maybe in the hundreds of thousands dollar market cap. And the team, they create some good art, some memeable art. So I think when we get back into full bull mode in runes, I think this thing could fly. So that's Bozo. I also like I like Psycho Hamster. I already had a very large position from when that originally came out, so I actually haven't been adding to that, but I think that is a good play at the current moment. What else? I like what else was there? There's a few other runes. I like Gob. That's kind of like a gamified meme coin on in Bitcoin runes, but to be honest, I don't fully understand it. I just see that there's a huge cult behind it. It's had a major dip, so I added a little bit of Gob. I really do think Nakamoto Bank might be a play here. It's down massively. to basically before it started its massive rise. So I think that's another, high risk, high reward. All of these runes are super high risk, high reward. Obviously, I like Billion Dollar Cat. I got into that so early. Haven't really bought more. I bought some of the Billy Cats ordinals, but I just have so much Billion Dollar Cat from my initial investment that I've actually been selling to, diversify a little bit now that it's had a nice run here. Even though I think there's a good chance it goes to $1 billion, Billion Dollar Cat. And right now it's at like 45 million. So, massive upside there. I really feel like it's a leader in the runes ecosystem alongside Dog, really. It's the #1 cat coin on Bitcoin, only at a $45 million market cap. Meanwhile, you got PopCat almost at $1 billion market cap on Solana. And of course, Bitcoin, has a much larger market cap than Solana. So, those are really my major moves right now. Other than that, I'm just trying to be patient. Like I said earlier, I think we're about mid-cycle, but I think the altcoins are going to start getting interesting, now that interest rates are coming down and global liquidity is going to start increasing, probably at a pretty quick rate. I believe China's already, throwing liquidity into their economy, and I think the US isn't too far behind. So, very bullish on altcoins. I think it's a great time to accumulate, if not just outright buy large positions in altcoins. But like I said, I already have large positions in altcoins that I like, such as Solana, ICP, Stacks, Rune, the original Rune, not like runes on Bitcoin. I mean the original Rune, the decentralized cross-chain DEX, which still doesn't really have any competitors. So that's one of my favorite utility plays is Rune. I think it's probably a decent time to buy that as well, but again, I have my position built out. So yeah, that's where my head is at. I do think there's a chance that we have another major dip before we rise, but I think the altcoin prices are pretty good right here to buy. So those are my thoughts on the market. Leave a like, subscribe. See you guys next video.